Hello, here is my daily routine. I wake up early in the morning. I brush my teeth. I wash my face with cool water. I sit with my family and eat breakfast together. I put on my clothes and get ready for work. I go to work by car. I drink coffee at the office. I have lunch with my colleagues. I finish my work in the evening. I go shopping for groceries. I prepare a yummy dinner for my family, with my son helping. My son and I relax and enjoy TV together before bedtime. That's my daily routine. Thanks for joining me and my son today. Good night. See you tomorrow for another fun day.